Gonna cook some baby backs today on this nice cold day. It's 20 degrees. Supposed to be getting 3 inches of snow. Had freezing rain all night. Gotta get this silver skin off the back so the rubs can get in there good. Trim a little bit of the fat. Got too much fat, it won't break down as easy. People have been wondering if this assassin will hold up to the temp because it's made of 1/8 inch steel. We'll cook today at 275. A little faster than normal. Usually cook around 250. Get this sprinkled down with some of my rub that I make. Always gives real good bark and color. Some people use mustard and stuff to make the rub here. I don't. I just pat it down real good and let it sit for 30 minutes before putting it on the grill. It's our smoker. Got the charcoal started. See how this assassin performs today in this cold weather. Temperature's supposed to drop as the day goes on. Let these sit about 30 minutes and I'll get them on the smoker and be back. While I'm waiting for the charcoal to heat up, I wanted to show you guys the chamber itself is made of 1/8 inch steel, but like all the internals, the charcoal pan, water pan, it's all made of 3/16 steel, so it's a little thicker steel on the inside, the guts, but the chamber itself is all 1/8 inch, just for who wants to know factor. It's not no 1/4 inch steel, but from what I've done so far, it's held temps real good. Only thing different I'm going to do today is on the last run on my maize, I was having to remove some pieces for the airflow. But what I've done is I've spun the adapter or 180 degrees upright. Instead of hitting so low, the airflow was kind of hitting the last few deals. This burns fine about 3/4 of the way through, and you got to remove some of these plates for the airflow to hit the bottom. But with this in the upper position like this, it's still going to go underneath the V-pan, so it won't be going above, so it'll still be hitting right on top. So hopefully that will, so I don't have to remove any pan or any plates at all, and I can get a complete burn without even having to mess with it. And that's what I'm trying to shoot for, is a leave and forget. I got 11.5 hour cook the last time, and hopefully this will solve my problem of not having to remove the plates, which is no big deal. It's just a few seconds, put some gloves on to do it, but it's just, I'm looking for a leave it to forget kind of smoker. I was wanting a gravity fed too, but if I can get this to work the way I want it and burn 11 hours without even having to touch it, that's what I'm trying to do. Be back in a minute when I get the ribs on. Starting off with about a half a shoot of charcoal to get the temps up. It usually comes up pretty fast. That's about it, getting it going. Shut her up. Be back in a minute. Cruising right along at 275. Temperature drop was 25 degrees, now it's 18 degrees with a 5-degree wind chill. Had ice all night and now it's snowing. Took a little longer to come up to temp. Reading 275 on the dial. With the colder weather, it took about an hour and 15 minutes to come up to temp. So the temp does affect it a little bit, but once it got going, it's cruising right along now. Baby backs have got some nice bark on them. Gonna wrap them here in a little bit. So far, so good. Guru's pushing right along. Supposed to get up to about 3 inches of snow. Be back in a little bit. Well, the power went out through the cook. This blizzard going on. Been out for like 3 hours now, so I have to do this test another day. Still going strong, but no power to the fan, so kind of defeats my purpose. Thanks for checking it out.